Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aisha Morals. Today it's a very important video as we have come to an end of 2024 and we are going to very soon start 2025, right? So as we all are a new YouTubers, we should really concentrate on these 8 important key areas where we can grow our channel very fast. In the upcoming year 2025, it's going to be the very productive year. As keeping that in our mind, we have to work on the YouTube. If you really work on these criteria, if you really work on these points, definitely your channel is going to be very soon monetized and you can increase your viewers from 1000 to the 10 millions or from 1000 to the millions also. Yes, let's get start our video. So let us start. Is in case if you are planning, those who are new and you are still thinking to start a YouTube channel, this is the right time to start a YouTube channel, as it is one of the platform which is giving you the opportunity to showcase your talent in whichever the field you are interested, right? So let us start with the first thing, how we can start to grow in our YouTube channel. The first one is to decide the niche. That means what is the topic of your channel, what kind of skills and learning which your channel provides. Whether it is, first you need to keep 5 things in your mind in order to decide the channel niche, right? So how can you should mostly think about large target audience. You have to target the large audience, right? जब तक आप अपनी टारगेट लार्ज ऑडियंस को नहीं करेंगे तो आपके व्यूअर्स कभी नहीं बढ़ेंगे. सो सबसे पहला ये है कि आपको अपने टारगेट ऑडियंस को सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए. सो मोस्टली द जनरल टॉपिक्स लाइक जैसे यू हैव एनी स्किल्स, कुछ स्किल्स है जो आप सिखा सकते हैं दूसरों को, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ग्रो योर स्किल्स इन डिफरेंट फील्ड. वो चैनल ऐसे चैनल हैं जो यूट्यूब में बहुत सारे हैं और बहुत जल्दी ग्रो होते हैं, पहला. और दूसरा है इंग्लिश लर्निंग स्किल्स, राइट? इंग्लिश लर्निंग स्किल्स, ये तो बहुत सारे चैनल मिल जाएंगे जो आपको इंग्लिश अच्छे से सिखाते हैं. बट व्हाट इज़ डिफरेंट विच यू कैन डू इट, उनसे अलग आप क्या करेंगे, सो दैट पीपल स्टार्ट वॉचिंग यू, दे स्टार्ट सब्सक्राइबिंग टू योर चैनल एंड दे विल बी रेगुलरली टू योर चैनल. इट इज़ लर्न इंग्लिश इन डिफरेंट एक्सेंट, राइट? ऐसे चैनल बहुत ही कम है जो डिफरेंट एक्सेंट में सिखाते हैं, राइट? लाइक ब्रिटिश है, ऑस्ट्रेलियन, ब्रिटिश और कैनेडियन, ऑल दोज थिंग्स. एक्सेंट, डिफरेंट एक्सेंट से आप इंग्लिश सिखा सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपका चैनल बहुत जल्दी से ग्रो होगा और व्यूज़ भी बहुत जल्दी आएंगे. एंड दूसरा और एक जो कि जनरल टॉपिक है बट लार्ज टारगेट ऑडियंस है, वो है कुकिंग चैनल. देयर आर थाउजेंड्स एंड मिलियंस ऑफ कुकिंग चैनल ऑल्सो in YouTube, but still if you have something which is different in cooking channel, like dessert, like different countries, the most famous food which in different countries, that you can take it as one of the topic and you can start with a cooking channel also. And one more is art and craft channel. Like people are a lot of crazy about the art and craft, like painting, making best making out of waste. This kind of channel also will work faster and also you get easily the viewers more. And some are channel like comedy, some are like traveling, vlogging. All these are the channels which really grows faster. And on all top of that, there is one more topic where the target audience are very huge, is the technology, learning the skills of technology like computer editing, different apps using, editing softwares using, and how to bring out the innovative creativity in your YouTube. This will definitely help you in growing. That is, once after you have selected your channel, the second thing is the कैमरा. सिंस वी ऑल आर न्यू, राइट? सो हम लोग, इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट, हम लोगों को बहुत मुश्किल होता है. इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस टू फेस द कैमरा immediately, right? So you might feel embarrassed you might even feel your lack of confidence. Obviously वो confident की वजह से ना हम लोग हमारी productivity बहुत ही नीचे चले जाती है, तो it's very important for us to work on our confidence level. So ये तभी होगा when you are ready to learn, when you are ready to take even the negative comments from the people who are watching your channel. So this will definitely help you to grow. So in order to face the camera, you need two things. First one is always practice. So every day 5 minutes you can just talk as if you are talking to your friend in front of the camera. Like imagine in the initial days, even I also have a struggle a lot to face the camera. I feel so embarrassed, like as if I don't feel like I'm talking to anybody. I feel like I'm mad that I'm talking blindly without any person's reaction. So when you start have overcome all those things, when you start making a friendship with your camera, definitely you feel very comfortable. In fact, the 50% of the fear goes then and there itself when you start facing the camera with confidence. So that will also help you to grow. Second is camera. That will come only when you start practicing. So every day 5 minutes of practice should be there. Next, the third one is the voice clarity. So when you're speaking, make sure the noises surrounding to your area should be reduced to a minimum. So it cannot be completely eradicated, but it can be reduced to some extent. So make sure that you record in a way that is a noise is avoided. And then when you speak, yes, when you speak also, the words which you are speaking, जो भी लफ्ज़ आपके ज़ुबान से निकले, वो भले ही वो अच्छे ना हो, मगर क्लैरिटी होनी बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ऑडियंस को तभी कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे, राइट? सो व्हेन योर वॉइस इज it's not sounding good, but it has a lot of clarity in whatever you're speaking, that will give you the audience, the connection between you and your audience. Next is once is this all over, then the uploading, like video editing, right? So to upload, you cannot upload just like that. You have to you trim, cut few things which you are not necessary. जो भी चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए अपनी वीडियो में, जो एक्स्ट्रा है, जो एक्स्ट्रा निकालना है, इन सब के चीज़ों के लिए वीडियो एडिटिंग की ज़रूरत बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. सबसे पहला जो कि सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है, इनफैक्ट जिसको कुछ भी नहीं मालूम, उसका ए भी नहीं मालूम एडिटिंग का, वो भी सीख सकता है. वो है काइंड मास्टर एंड InShot. सो ये दोनों, अगर आप नए हैं और अभी शुरू कर रहे हैं अपना YouTube चैनल, तो पहले के 2 months, starting 2 months, you have to use these two apps, or even you can use it in laptop also, it's available. तो काइंड मास्टर और InShot को, इन दोनों में हर एक वीडियो में ये यूज़ कीजिए, चाहे वो व्लॉग्स हो, चाहे वो शॉर्ट्स और इवन अ लॉन्ग वीडियो. In this you will learn about a lot of basic editing things like trimming, how to remove unnecessary video or unnecessary words which you might have mispronounced. ये सब चीज़ें अपने आप ही सीख जाएंगे, तो it becomes very easy. When you start learning, when the confidence actually comes, okay, when you know the thing, something which you know very well, you will be definitely feel confident. Something which you really don't know, definitely you feel low, you feel very yourself not comfortable or something like that, right? Next is the once video editing in Kind Master and thumbnail. Next one is the thumbnail. If the thumbnail is not good, but you have created a very good video which has a lot of knowledge and skills, it goes waste, because people will definitely look into the thumbnail. They see the thumbnail and click your video. So obviously the first impression should be the last impression. So once they start clicking, is the next step is the content of your video will definitely help you in connecting and making the audience engage in your video. So obviously if you make a video which is very boring, obviously within a 30 to 50 seconds the person is going to skip the video and move to another one. So engaging the audience is very important. So with the help of video editing and thumbnail will definitely help you to grow in your channel. The next one is the title and keywords, description, tags, though there are very simple and limited, but play a very important significant role in promoting your videos. So YouTube also help you to promote your videos to different countries or different locations or in all over. So it's very important to concentrate on keywords. The description, always give a basic conclusion of all your video in the description, and then followed by your previous videos which are related to your channel and related to your niche. You can add, so that if they like, even they can even click on that. This also can be taken. Next, the time of upload. So we have seen most of the YouTubers, those who are beginner, they don't know about the exact timing of upload. It's not like their YouTube have scheduled this is the time to upload where you get your views more, but each video of yours, when you are uploading, you have to fix to some particular time, maybe in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon, whenever, so that your audience will be aware of your timing of your video upload, your upcoming video, right? So time, for example, today you have started with 10 o'clock uploading in the morning or in the evening or in the night. So for example, any particular time in which you are comfortable, you are available for the upload. Even if you're not available, you can just upload and schedule it at that particular time. Once that particular time, it will be available for the public views, will be available for the viewers. So next, last but not the least is the consistency. How much you are consistent in continuously working on your YouTube channel and understanding the target of your audience, what kind of audience you like, they like to watch the video, will definitely help you in growing your channel very, very faster when compared to the other YouTube channel. As you know that there is a lot of competition. At the same time, there are hardly 5 to 10% of the YouTube people are using as a YouTuber. The rest all are watching as an audience. So this will definitely help you to grow your channel in the upcoming, before this to 2024, and let us concentrate on all these criterias, the 8 important key factors which we have discussed today, so that if you apply this in the upcoming year, definitely it's going to be helpful. And like how I also wants to grow, and many of other new YouTubers also wants to grow in their life as a YouTuber. They want to get more viewers, more subscribers, and also they want to use this platform as an earning option also. So all the very best to myself as well as to all the viewers who are watching this video, and those who are thinking to start the YouTube channel, or those who have already started the channel but still they are struggling. If you really work on these criterias, definitely it's going to be helpful. So thank you so much for watching my video till now. If you're new to my channel, and if you really think that this video was very helpful, please do not forget to like the channel and hit the bell icon, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will try to bring more videos on these topics where we can grow our channel very faster in a short period of time. And also we also do not compromise in the quality of the video also. So till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, and wish you a very happy new year in advance. May this new year brings lots and lots of health, wealth, and a lot of opportunities to grow in this field. Thank you.